Hey y'all, I am resharing my crispy fried chicken recipe. All right, so we are going to season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne, and a little bit of ginger powder. We're going to sprinkle that generously, and then we're going to toss it to make sure that the chicken is seasoned on all sides. All right, so I have 2 bowls. I have about a cup and a half of flour. I'm going to add those same seasonings, some salt, and a tablespoon of cornstarch to the bowl. I'm going to mix that around, and then I'm going to take about 3 tablespoons of that flour, put it into another bowl, and then I put about a half a cup of water. We're doing a wet and dry mixture, so you want the wet batter to be a little bit runny, and what we're going to do is we're going to put our chicken in the wet mixture, and then we're going to coat it in the flour. This way to make chicken is fail proof. It is going to come out crispy every single time. You're going to have a big crunch. Even if it's sat for 20-30 minutes, it's still incredibly crispy. It does not get soggy. Trust me on this one. All right, so after I've mixed it through in the wet mixture, I'm going to place the chicken into the flour, make sure that it is coated on all sides, and then I'm going to set it on my cutting board. Hey y'all, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on those post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. All right, so on high heat, make sure it's on high heat. I'm adding in some vegetable oil. I'm going to let this heat up, and I'm going to slowly add in my chicken. You want to make sure that it's on high because the cornstarch brings the temperature down. I'll also tell you to make sure you're adding your chicken in slowly and don't overcrowd your skillet. All right, so I'm adding all my chicken in slowly. Once I have everything into the pan, I'll cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on high heat, and then I'll turn it down to a medium high. I do flip my chicken a couple of times, but this is really simple. It is easy and it is good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to give you a little chicken fry and ASMR, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.